Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to get a Payoneer Mastercard in Bangladesh. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to payoneer.com and make sure to sign in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can just simply go ahead and register. So guys, I made this table over here so we can understand more. So once you are signed in into your account, just simply select Pioneer cards from the menu on the left side of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and click order card, and from there you will have two options, guys. You can go for virtual card or physical card, and from there just simply follow the instructions moving forward and just simply provide the necessary information to proceed. And if you're ordering your first card, you can choose express shipping, but it may cost you more because it will be on an express ship. And guys, if you select a physical card, just simply choose your currency that you have and just simply verify your shipping address and make sure your information is correct. And once you are done, you can just simply confirm your phone number so FedEx or DHL or any courier can contact you if they are near into your location for delivery. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.